Hello and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. COVID-19 cases on the rise. Public must adhere to COVID-19 protocols. Maoyang Umjapong Nong Neng B to organize second late Amanda Pathau football tournament. And your health depends on your food. Let food be your medicine. SSC Shillong Archdiocese. And now the news in detail. In order to prevent the spread of COVID-19 virus, the Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills has issued strict rules and regulations to be followed by the public. According to the regulations issued by the Office of the DC, all shopkeepers, hawkers and the public are to strictly follow the rules and regulations without fail, and if anyone is found violating the protocols, one will be punished accordingly with imposition of fine. Public gatherings should be avoided. People are to observe social distancing, to frequently use hand sanitizer. It was seen in the last few weeks the number of COVID-19 cases in the country is getting worse day by day, which has forced few states in the country to impose lockdown again. Maoyang Umjapong Nong Neng B locality of Shillong will organize the second late Amanda Pathau football tournament open for all at Umjapong ground to raise fund for construction of retention walls to protect Meghalaya Umjapong Nong Neng B from flood caused by Umshing River during the monsoon seasons. The Umshing River is causing havoc to the area with flooding water beside massive erosion along the river bank. Addressing a press conference at Shillong Press Club, the headman of this locality, Anthony Karkongor, and also the member of Subcommittee for Construction of Retention Walls, S.L. Dicru, said the football tournament will enable the Dorbarshnong to raise fund for the massive construction work and also for construction of footpaths to enable the residents not to stroll through the quarters of Community Health Centre.
Because the inhabitants of the locality are now doing on the project for flood control of the Umshing stream, and then construction of the pathway to the locality behind CHC. So in this regard, we would have a huge expenditure. So in view of this expenditure, from the Dong, we will organize this football tournament, which is called, name it as the second late Amanda Pathau open to all football tournament, organized by the Dong Nong Neng B in collaboration with Yainet Sports Club.
Running one project, and that project is the approach road towards one of the quality of Maoyang Umjapong, which named Nong Neng B. So right from the beginning we have been started, and now the work is under progress, and I can say that it's almost 30% we have completed the work. But due to lack of it's a financial problem, and so we are running this tournament, and we hope that through this tournament we can get something in order to complete and to fulfill our dreams. So this tournament will be held in Maoyang Umjapong playground football only, near Maoyang CSC, and it will be started from the 8th of May this year.
The Social Service Centre Shillong Archdiocese organized the monthly farmers market on the 8th of April 2021 at Savio Hall, Lamkra, Shillong. Their motto being, your health depends on your food, let food be your medicine. These farmers brought their organic vegetables and other local food items to be displayed and to be sold in the monthly farmers market. Chemical-free, green vegetables, wild edibles, local food items from farmers of East Khasi Hills and Riboy districts were available at the monthly farmers market. Speaking to Don Bosco Media Network, a lady from Nongpo said that their profit and loss varies from one occasion to another as this market takes place once a month. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.